look right here, you can see how much this piles right up. I mean, you go through it. See here, gives you an idea. That's a rubberized backing tape that keeps me guided where I want to be, but that's cutting out that line, and it needs to be right at it's a little bit under an eighth. I gotta cut away all this yet. That's just leftover. All right. Well, I guess I'm doing the same thing. I'm sanding right here and trying to get this really close. I'm almost down to where I need to be. Takes a little bit here, a little bit there. Ugh. Cleaning off my lead, because you get so much buildup of lead, you gotta brush it out of the way. It starts clogging the teeth in your file. What?
Just recording what you're doing a little bit.
Oh, I'm just cleaning up the inside edge. Now I got the fender back off for a little bit. I went ahead and let it a little bit more. It's I don't know, Tuesday evening.
Yeah, it's like 8 right now, Mark. 8:30.
Alright, well, y'all see what I've been doing the last couple of days. And there's all the remnants of following out all the lead around the front and getting a real nice fit. And this is a process. This whole front end was really smashed in. Had a lot of previous damage that was covered up, full of body filler and all kinds of things, and then welded together, mismatched and crooked. So lots went into the front end, and nothing was lining up when you shut the hood before. Let me reach out here, and the hood's shutting real nice now, and before we could not get the hood. It was quite crooked of how it was lining up and where it was. So working the edge and following all this out. Let me throw it back up. Oh, I can't get it with one hand. I'm stretching too far. Okay. Following out all this edge right here.
Wait, what kind is that?
All that was in lead, and shaped that all up. Same with the other side. So that's what's going on. Almost done all that. Fender's all done out and a lot of things, and just get ready to final sand over it, all the primers on and stuff. And the fenders were perfectly gauged to one another with the red car and this one. So, but anyway, and that's Harlan. That's the one door, and the door's been on and off, and we're sanding, doing our final little sand area. So. Little glaze, little primer, little shit. Alright. Oh, I'm just sanding away still, Harlan. Got most of the lead all, and I'm just hand sanding it out now. I've been metal filing quite a bit. I know it's been like forever on the front end, it seems like, but our edges, our lines are really, really smooth. Worked on the hood a lot yesterday up with it back and forth, and finishing out following this edge and following this line. And so, man, it's been through a good bit. Now I'm blocking everything out and gonna prime and coat stuff and get finished up.
Howdy. Got the passenger side door for the 37 Chrysler Imperial, the black car. And we did a lot of welding in this corner, and we put nut inserts for the side windows, and I don't know, I'm just cleaning up the welds and making the area look good before primer. Hold on, let me show you the progress. Oh. Getting everything ready. It's been primed once. We mounted it on the car and blocked it to the cowl, and gonna clean up this body line and finish up this corner, and I'll put it in its final coat of primer, sand that, and then be ready.
I'm finaling out this shit. All this is done, and it's only got a little skim coat of body putty to it right now. But the rest is lead. Trying to go over, and it gives me a guide coat, really. I'm sanding most of it right back off. I went and filed a little bit more on the lead down here. I use a guide between this side and the other side for the shape right here, and it's really, really close. Take a little bit away at a time. It's almost there. See it in? Working on it. On adjustment, opening and shutting, and how it's sitting down the sides, and how the lip is sitting. All this had to be reconstructed, so same with the other side, but it's shutting open, it's shutting real nice now. All this is almost all finaled out, down to sanding it with 120, and that's all lead all through there. All that is that way. But you still got to put a little tiny skim coat of metal glaze or something on the top. I did the last little bit. What I've done is I did all the work down on through the back, and we did up through the sides. And the lid up here was the original lid. When we glass beat and cleaned it and everything, it looked really good.
Are you talking to me?
And when we ended up
Who the fuck
getting
are you
ready to
talking
do it, I ran into some rust. And so when I found the little rust spot down in the spot, I dug it all out.
You just keep
And
on going,
I
man.
ground everything out, I torched it, and I redid all the lead, and I took it down through here. And now we're fitting the trunk.
About, man?
And once the trunk's on, which is really the rumble seat where you sit in a chair inside, but I just had this last little bit we redid. You see the seam here in the lead work. A little bit high in the lead work here, so I have to get rid of it. And if you look at this angle, you'll see the line that's made right there. And it's been gauged to both sides and everything. So
No shit.
that's where I'm at right now. Almost done. A couple last stages. You go around all the front's been all the way down. I'm letting it sit, and then I'm gonna finish this. This I primed in the last week.
Harry's back.
And just left it sit, and it's finished on the black leather stuff.